Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, what is it? Correct. Number 2, I work hard every day. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Days. Monday is a day. Tuesday is a day. Now we can make a flashcard for day and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write day up here in the top left corner. D-A-Y. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here the number 49 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Like ABC. A. Day. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Our grandmother works hard every day. Our grandmother works hard every day. Our grandmother works hard every day. She fixes fishing nets for a long time, and she doesn't take many breaks. Now we can make a flashcard for to work hard. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to work hard. Down here, DA1, this means daily activity, level 1. And over here, the number 29 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Work hard. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned what? Day is it today? Correct. And Jennifer works hard every day. She is a hard worker. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. If you choose something, it is your choice. Correct. C. And Bob is in love. He has a... Correct. Number 3, to depart. Does that mean to come or to go? Yeah, to go. That's right. Today is Thursday, September 11th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating. You can join anytime. It is designed for internet learning. please write your language on the other side of the card. What does day mean in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. If you like this video, please share.